Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It's finally here. Jungkook standing next to you, MV, and then his album drops tomorrow or pretty soon. Well, damn. Jungkook standing next to you, MV, right here. I mean, listen, I saw the trailer. It looks really. I see the budget. I mean, all the music videos, you see the budget in there, and just him just performing. I heard good things. Like a couple of my friends already telling me, "Yo, Dre, I need you to react to this." I'm like, "Word." I bet I was gonna do it either way, but yeah. Without further ado, was my Chick-fil-A order here? Let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. First, you talking about 3D. Want to see that in motion? You got 7 days. What else you got? What else? It's too much. Come on. I actually really do like Too Much. Too bad I couldn't upload it because it got blocked. But let's see if this one doesn't get blocked. Without further ado, let's go. Let's begin. Captain's on, but isn't it mostly in non-English? Still got it. In a limo with other limos. Oh, damn. He's just gonna go out here bare-chested with just only a vest? Oh. Hold up. I like the guitar in the background already off the bat. Okay. Oh, Miss Ma'am. Damn, his arms are so sexy, low-key. High-key. Hey! Oh, this. Oh, wait, hold up. Actually, that beat drop. Oh, that's Brian Puspos. So many iconic dancers behind him. He's on this Michael Jackson shit. Hold up. Come through, come through. Oh, he is on his Michael Jackson. He's following the girl like, okay. Sorry. Make it known. Oh, there's so many familiar faces behind him too. Damn. No. Hold on. The way he just did this. Look at that. Oh my God. Can we just take a? Can we just? That's me right here. You see this? This guy right here, licking his lips because look at that. Look at. Oh my God. All right, let's go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Test the time. Ooh, the angel. This is what I saw from the trailer, right? Ooh. The drum work, everything. Oh, hell nah. We ain't ready for this.
She wasn't ready.
You need to rewind. I don't care what you say. If I pause too much or do it. Go watch another video. Is that Ian Eastwood? Wait.
Is it?
Wait, look, can you see this, baby?
Wait, I like Ian
There's
Eastwood.
Brian.
That is Ian Eastwood.
Oh, nah, he in his bag. He's always been in his bag. Hey, yo. Woo! Hey! I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just dancing my shit. Oh, all into the JK building though. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I don't care what anybody says. Woo, okay, pop off. He's on this MJ-ish, bro. This might be my favorite out of all of them actually right now. Woo. Get this shit, JK. Hold up. Ooh. You better. Oh, he in it. Look at that stare down. I don't care. Look how serious he is. He really does have a serious stare. That drop right there. Next to you. Ooh, it's smooth. Bro, he could be his own 007 movie. James Bond, Jung Kook. Woo! Oh, and the horns! You already know. Love me some good horns and music. Call me horny. Woo! Oh, the choreo! Oh my god. Just a fight scene. Bass and drums, he said. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. You better get it. You better get it. You better get it, sir. Hit that, hit that, hit that, hit that. Hit that, hit that. Oh, it's over though. He was standing next to her in the end. So mission complete. That was fuego. I think out of all of them, actually, this, I don't know, because I love MJ, Michael Jackson. And this is literally an ode to Michael Jackson, and I just love it. The choreographers for this, like literally the dancers that were behind him, they were iconic. See homegirl right there, and he's like, damn. The lighting in this, the production, the budget. Look at his little sexy ass. Big sexy ass. Hey. The next, this might be. I'm a hella replay the shit out of this. Miracles. Ooh. Let your body know. Take control. Ooh, you better. Ooh, that part's my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. With the wings. Woo! Hey! That's fire, that's fire, that's fire. Hold up. Woo! Hey, hey, talk your shit. That drop is so smooth. Oh, this is made for the grown folks. This is made for the grown folks. I mean, all of them were, but this one right here, if you don't mess with it, that's fine. There's a dough. Afterglow. Okay, papa. There's so many talented dancers in this. Shout out to the dancers. Shout out to the editing team. Shout out to the cinematography. Shout out to Jung Kook. Shout out to the Hive. Shout out to BTS. Woo. The drums. The production's there. As it should. Hit that. Hit that. Hit that. That shit fire. Standing next to you. Makes me want to get grab some wine, sip it. Okay, lip rings. I mean, damn. Woo! And the whole fight breaking out while is it reversed? It is reversed. I just now noticed that. Ooh! Hey man, he has a full cast out here. Oh, they walking. Bass and drums. This is fire. The whole dance part. Ooh, chills. Oh, so it's all going in reverse. He's going to. Damn, cuz. Standing next to you. Do I have to say more? That shit was fire. From music video, production, the tribute to Michael Jackson, JK in the building. His album coming out soon, so I'm definitely gonna have to check it out tomorrow. Probably on live stream on Twitch. You better be there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.